explain you today, and first you will understand it, then only you will write it. As I said that there is logic behind every situation, which is very difficult for majority of you to digest, so I give you the steps. And these steps are not there in any of the books. I've just made it so that the things become a little simple for you. So that steps, I don't want you people to directly write it. I want you people to first understand the logic behind it. So no one should be writing, just be attentive. Okay? Situation 2 of profit is when no one should be talking, complete silence, when sacrifice share of old partners is given. See, we already know that when a new partner is admitted, old partners are going to sacrifice and give some of their share to the new partner. Okay, the new ratio and the new profits will be distributed between, instead of 2 people, 3 people. So old will sacrifice and new would give. Now, yesterday we did the situation where old ratio was given and new partner's share was given, no other information was given. Now we take up with the questions where you will be given with sacrifice share of old partners. Okay? How will you identify in the question that sacrifice share is given from the word from? Means, if it is given that Asta and Palak are partners in the ratio of 3:2 and Khyati is admitted. Asta and Palak are partners, Khyati is admitted. Now if they say Asta will give 1/10 from her share to Khyati, means what is 1/10? Sacrifice share of Khyati, Asta, and Palak will give 2/10 from her share to Khyati, means 2/10 is the sacrifice share of Palak. So how will you identify in the question that sacrifice share is given from the word from? When they say 1/10 from her share, means it is a sacrifice. Palak gives 2/10 from her share, means it is a sacrifice. Able to understand this? Now, I don't want you to write the steps straight away, as I said. New ratio would be equal to old ratio minus sacrifice share, and new partner's share will be equal to total of sacrifice share of old partners. But you will not directly write this. First we'll understand the logic, then you'll write these steps. So look at page number 204, question number 4. Understand this first, be attentive. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. So what is that 2:1? Old ratio. Again, as I repeat, no one will be writing it. Old ratio is 2:1. Which means 2/3 and 1/3. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share in profit. C is admitted with 1/5 share in profit. Now, yesterday, the situation which we did, I told you, old ratio will be given and new partner's share will be given. In bracket I made you write, no other information will be given, but here other information is given. So we cannot take it as situation 1. What other information is given? C will acquire 1/10 share. Underline the word from A. I told you how will you identify the sacrifice share from the word from. If C will acquire 1/10 from A, means can I say that sacrifice share of A is 1/10? Did you understand this? How will you identify sacrifice share is given? From the word from. And 1/10 share, underline the word from B, means 1/10 is again the sacrifice share of B. Any confusion in this? All okay with that? In yesterday's question, this information was not given. Then you would do those steps. 1 minus new partner's share and then remaining share into old ratio. But here 3 informations are given. Old ratio, new partner's share and sacrifice. So here we cannot apply those steps. So first of all in the question, will you be able to distinguish in situation 1 and 2? All of you? Now, logic is A was getting 2/3. From that, he gives 1/10 to C. So after C's admission, can I say he will get 2/3 minus 1/10? Simple logic. Out of your 2/3, 1/10 you are giving to C. So after his admission, now you get 2/3 minus 1/10. That is what I made you right here. Old ratio minus sacrifice share. Old ratio minus sacrifice share. Any confusions? Same way. Before C's admission, B was getting from that, he will give 1/10 to C. So after C's admission, B will get 1/3 minus 1/10. Any confusions? Now, LCM will be 30. 10 into 3, 30. Nothing common in 10 and 3. So straight away 10 into 3. Yesterday I told you an easier method. First you, then you. What is 30 divided by 3? 10 into 2? 30 divided by 10? Into 1? Are you okay with this? Those who are not able to understand LCM. Those who understand can do it as such. 17 by 30. Same way here also 30. 30 divided by 3? 10 into 1? 30 divided by 10? 3 into 1? Any confusion in this? So 10 minus 3? 7 by 30. This is first step. Okay. Now, what is second step? But that is already given. So we don't have to apply that. But suppose it was not given. Then again the logic. A is giving 1/10 to C. Plus B is giving. So can I say C is getting 1/10 plus 1/10? 1 plus 1/10? 2/10? But that is already given. If this 1/5 was not given, how we would have found that? 1/10 plus 1/10. So how would you find new partner's share? Total of sacrifice share of old partners. So I have made things simple for you. Now no need to apply the logic. Remember the steps. Understood this portion? But to express the new ratio, denominator should be same. Here the denominator is 30, but for C it is. So 1/5 into 6 by 30. How do you get 6? 30 divided by 5. Any confusion in that? What is the new ratio? 17 is to 7 is to 6. And in exercise 3 later on we read yesterday. So that you don't get confused. Initially I did not teach you. But it was asked find new ratio and sacrifice. Now here again, yesterday we discussed that sacrifice ratio would be same as, but that is only limited to that situation. Normally you find sacrifice ratio as old ratio minus new ratio. Here also no need to do that. Sacrifice share is already there. Convert it into the ratio. What is sacrifice share of A?
1 by 10.
B?
1 by 10.
Remove the denominator.
1:1.
Directly. Here also no need to find
Second.
old ratio minus new ratio. How will you get sacrifice ratio from sacrifice share? 1 by 10, 1 by 10, remove the denominator. In short, they are sacrificing equally only. 1:1 ratio they are making. Whatever C is getting, they are sacrificing in the ratio of 1:1. Did anyone of you understand this? Anyone having any doubt in it? So now you understand the logic behind these steps? Okay. This you write in the summary, and this you write in the solution after leaving that 7-8 slides what I said to you yesterday.